Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's November the 5th, 2022. Ethereum's price has now flipped. I want you all to take a look at this price chart real quick for Ethereum. You all can see that now price in Ethereum is breaking outside of this massive downtrend that it was trading in over the last couple of months. Look at this. We need to talk about this because originally I did a price prediction in Ethereum looking for the price to go down, and take a look. It did not even happen. So yeah, can you get some of your forecasts wrong? Of course you can. This is one example to which you do get your price predictions incorrect. But when it happens, you simply learn from it, you get back on your feet, and you take the right side of the market, which this is what we're going to do today. So let me go ahead and cut this last price prediction out. I did this price prediction on October the 28th. If I were to get out the market right now, I'll be down 8.25%, which is fine. It's minuscule, especially if we're looking for price in Ethereum to continue to go up. Because if price in Ethereum is going to continue to ride higher, then guess what? That 8.25% is going to increase. It's going to get larger, and that is something that we do not do here on this channel. We don't push losses. Once we see them, we try to get rid of them as soon as possible. So let's cut that out the way. You guys can tell that what happened on yesterday's trade. I really want to talk about this to show you all how this game is played, right? So earlier in the video, I zoomed out of this price chart, right, and showed you how much of the direction price in Ethereum was going down. This market in Ethereum has been trending down ever since December of last year, right? So we created this downtrend. Now, it took the market in Ethereum a lot of energy, which represents the volume right here at the bottom of the chart, and a very wide spread to get that market to break outside of this downtrend line, right? It's fantastic. This automatically lets us know that the price prediction that I had originally is incorrect. So rather than me sitting back hoping and wishing for price to come back down, I recognize what's going on in the market, and so should you. So let me go ahead and extend this up, because we're going to follow this trend now in Ethereum, and hopefully as price continues to trade throughout the month of November, it won't come back down, break this trend, this ascending line, and come back down and trade this area right here. So we don't want to see the market in Ethereum do this, break that ascending line and begin to trade back down this descending line. If that happens, then we got to get right back down and expect the price in Ethereum to go lower. But as of this particular moment, let's go ahead and ride this out real quick in Ethereum. Looking at this on the 3-day chart, I like what's been seen on the charts to represent that the strength into the market in Ethereum is still present. And instead of keeping so many lines on the chart confusing, I'm going to go ahead and take care of this downtrend line and get rid of it. And I think you all can see where the market in Ethereum is going to find resistance. Can you see it? I hope you can. If you don't, I got you, because we're a community of individuals who is looking at the market from a simplistic perspective. This is where it's at. Right here. Okay, so I'm looking for the market in Ethereum to try to run up towards $1,800 and then eventually $2,000. What do you think about the market in Ethereum running up here to around 2,000? Is it possible? Is it plausible? What do you suspect? Let's look at the market in Ethereum on the 2 weeks. So this is the market right here in Ethereum on the 2-weekly chart, and we got 1 day and 10 hours left, and so far this looks pretty good. It looks decent. I mean, this is real simple. I'm going to look for the price in Ethereum to still go up, because the 2-weekly chart is showing us that the buyers are still there. The weekly chart is showing us that the buyers are still there. And I got 2 price targets, $1,800 and $2,000. So I'm not going to waste your time. This is a very simple game once you understand the language of the market. The market speaks to us every time the market trades. Every time there's a trade, every time there's a sell or a buy, it's recorded, and it's for us to digest to see what is the likely outcome of where price is going to go. So let me go ahead and do this real quick. So we're going to look for the price in Ethereum to go higher. The first price target, like I said, is around $1,800. You guys can see that's around 10.37%. And don't forget, the last price prediction that I did was 8.25 loss. So for the market in Ethereum, just to run it to $1,800, we will still end up profiting off of both of these forecasts. My second area is going to be right there around $1,925, $1,925, 18.25%. And then my third price target is up there around 2,000. You guys can see that's around 24.5. Okay. Now, that is it. we're going to continue to ride the market in Ethereum to higher prices. Real simple, real easy. I want you all to drop a comment real quick before you go and give me your price target for Ethereum as we approach the month of December. Where do you think the price is headed? Hit the like button, should have been also subscribe to the channel. And like I always say, make sure you maintain your profitability and trade different.